Getting those useless generic AI answers? Yeah, let's fix that. We've all been there. You ask for something and get back, well, junk. So what gives? Here's the problem. You're treating AI like a search engine, and that's a huge trap.
It's time to stop being a searcher and start being a manager. Stop asking, start directing. Here's a thought that changes the whole game. Think of the AI as your new intern.
Now, this intern is a genius, but it knows nothing about you, your business, or how you sound. It only knows what you tell it, so if you give it garbage, you're going to get garbage back.
So how do you manage this intern? It's not magic, you guys. It's a system.
Let's dive into the RCT framework. It's a simple system for getting exactly what you want. First up, R is for role. You're literally telling the AI who to be, like an actor. Next, C for context. This is the crucial background info that kills those generic answers. Then we have T for task. Just be super clear about what you actually needed to do. And finally, another C for constraint. These are your rules of the game, like word count. Okay, theory is cool, but let's see the difference this actually makes. This is the fun part. On the left, a typical amateur prompt. On the right, a proper architect prompt using our system. The amateur gets a robotic apology, but the architect gets a pro update that builds trust. See, getting better results isn't about some secret magic words. It's all about having a solid structure. The AI is basically a mirror. It just reflects the clarity of your own thinking right back at you. So now you're an AI architect. The only question is, what are you going to build?